Hi, and welcome to Easy Way channel. In this video I will show you how to fix issue where you don't have your network adapter icon in the taskbar. So if you right-click on your taskbar, and select Taskbar Settings, and you select Turn System Icons on or off, and next to Network, this switch to turn it on and off is grayed out. Don't worry, I have fix for this issue. Please hit that like button while I come back, so we can continue with the video. Okay. So your network switch is grayed out. And if I go to Settings, and then I chose Network and Internet option, watch what will happen. The window will not open, and I am kicked out completely from Settings menu. If you have this kind of problems, this is what you need to do. Right-click on Start, and select Run. In search box type msconfig, and hit Enter. This window will open, and you need to select Services tab up here. Now, on the left side, you need to find Windows Event Log option, and you need to check this box next to it. Now select Apply and then OK. Your Windows will now ask you to restart. Click on Restart now. And when you log in again, your network icon will be in your taskbar. You will have this switch enabled to turn network icon on or off in your taskbar. And your network and internet settings will work just fine. With this, we came to the end of this video. I really hope that I managed to help you to solve your problems with network icon missing. And if I did, please hit that like button. And please subscribe to my channel with the bell on, so you can get notification when I upload my next Easy Way tutorial. Bye.